It's that time of year again. It's getting close to Thanksgiving. That means the sales are coming. Clearance on camping deals is starting to pop up, and numerous Black Friday deals all across the internet. We're going to look at 10 things plus a bonus that you can get from Amazon right now. This video is pretty much for all my tent campers out there. However, if you have an RV, stick around because you might see something that you like in there. We tent camp and RV, and there are some things in here that I like and own. I know this tent can seem a little pricey for some of the videos that I do, but this tent can last you forever. We had a lower quality Coleman tent that lasted us over 20 years. This one here could probably last you a lifetime. While you're in a tent, it wouldn't hurt to have a sleeping bag. These are middle range, about 40 degrees is your max on those, and that's all right for, warm weather camping. Up next, we have a cot with a mattress. Great way to stay off of the ground. Pretty good price on this one, I would consider it. From when we started camping to camping fans today, there is a world of difference. I absolutely love these kind of camping fans, and I actually have 2 of them that we use in our camper. One of my favorite things in this video is this little light. I don't know why I love it so much, but it squishes down to be compact. You can put it in your pocket, in your backpack, rechargeable, just right enough for your campsite. You cannot go wrong with a weather radio. I have a weather radio in our RV and also in my tent camping gear because you never know when you need it. This Vivor grill is fantastic. It's almost like a flat top and a grill all in one. You can't beat it for that price right now. I'm also a fan of this outdoor cooking set. It can be for your camper or your tent, if you notice the theme here. Another thing that could be a lifetime purchase is this enamel Coleman dinner set. These things can last forever. Seriously, you will see them 30, 40 years old already when you're out looking at yard sales, flea markets, things like that. Fire blanket. I am a firm believer in having a fire blanket along with a fire extinguisher in your RV. A fire blanket would also be a great addition to your tent camping stuff. And our bonus item is this EcoFlow power station. Sure, there's other ones out there, Blue Eddy, Jackery, a lot of other miscellaneous names ones. These here are emerging in the market, and there seems to be a lot of quality for the price, so it's worth checking out. Are there any things that you didn't see in the video that you were hoping to see? Have you found any deals that you think we missed or you would love to share with anyone else? Please let us know down in the comments below.